Welcome to Goa's Quick Tips and Tricks YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार ह्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. तर नातालांची तयारी चालू आसा आनी आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमचे गोवन पेराद रेसिपी. सो फॉर पेराद तुमी गॅस केलात आसतले. So these are govas and I'm going to show you all the Goan sweet, how you can make out of this guava, that is perad. So for that I have taken 1 kg of guava. So these are 1 kg of guava and I'm going to cook this in a pressure cooker for 4 whistles. I will add 1 cup of water to this and cook this for 4 whistles in a pressure cooker. After that we have to make a puree out of this. Remove the seeds, keep the seeds separately and make puree out of the other part. We also will be needing some red food color and sugar. So sugar I will let you know later according to the pulp, how much we are getting. Let's start. So let's do the cooker work. It is Christmas. Merry Christmas. Okay, so this 1 mug, coffee mug of water, and I'm going to add this whole. Okay, I'm not going to cut this into half or anything, because then water goes and it becomes a little bit more soggy. So this way only I will close the lid and give a 4 pressure whistle. So now I have 4 whistle दिवपाची आसा. मागीर तुमकां दाखयता next procedure. Here it is. Oof, it's hot and it is cooked. Now I will cut and show you all one. So here it is. And we will remove the inside part, that is seed part. Okay? And keep it separately. So this seed part has been separated. Then we'll so like this only I will do the others. So this we have to grind it into a puree. Okay, then if you want, then you can sieve it, the next procedure. So now this is what I am going to do. So this I will do separately, and this again I will grind it into a puree and add sugar and all, everything separately. I don't want to mix this with this. So let's do this now in a mixer. Okay, we'll make puree out of this. So this is a puree ready. Let's start. So now let's sieve this. Here it is. So this is 1 cup measurement of the seeds pulp. Okay. Now you want to see, you can see, but I will give you the measurement, and accordingly we have to add our sugar to this. So this is the measurement cup what I am going to use. You can easily buy it at Amazon. You get full set, 1 cup, half cup, 3/4. 1/4 everything. So this I am measuring so that we know how much sugar we have to add. Same quantity of sugar will be added to this. So this is 1 cup. Two cups. So 3 cups. So what quantity of sugar we have to add in this, I will tell you. So it will be, actually you can use 3 cups of puree, then 3 cups of sugar, but I will use 2.5 cup of sugar for my perad. Okay, 2.5 cup of sugar. So this is 1 cup. And I'll add another 1 cup. So this is another cup. And I will add another half cup. I'll show you half cup also. So this is half cup. It's mentioned also over here. So I will add half cup of this. And the seeds I have not yet added. I am not going to add with this. That I will do separately. Okay. That I will grind separately and make also separately. So let's mix this all together. Now if you want to add powdered sugar, then you can add powdered sugar also. Totally depend upon you. So now we'll add little bit of elchi powder, that is cardamom powder, to this little bit. We'll add a pinch of salt to this, pinch of salt. And I'm adding little bit of cardamom powder. Cardamom powder. Now let's give this to cook till it leaves the sides. Now in between I will show you to add color. So I will be using orange color. You can use whichever color you want. And then last stage I will be adding 1 tablespoon of. Now this is on the gas. तर आता हांवें एका हेजेर गॅसीर दवरला. मागीर हे सगळे इतले शिजोन येवंक जाय न्ही, मागीर मातशी ग्लव्स बा घालात, कित्याक की आंगाचेर बा खूब उसवता. Okay, when it starts coming to the end part, it bubbles and all it splits on your skin, and also you can wear gloves and all, because we are doing it in the gas, and the vessel is also not very big like olden days. Use then later wooden this to mix like this, and we will be adding color a later stage. Okay, so at the gasicher and it will take time, and till this sides of the pan leaves we have to do. Ghee also it will be later. So हे आता शिजोनी दाट जावनी, and if possible use non-stick pan or something which doesn't get stick, or you can do in the normal kadai, how olden times we used to do those kadai kail म्हणटा पळय, that you can take. कायल घेवन तुमच्यान ते करूं येता, बट घरान कोत्ता जाल्यार नॉन स्टिक आसा जाल्यार बरें, आनी असले रब्बराचे स्पॅटुलरी पण बरें सायडीक मागीर मातशें बऱ्याक लागता. So now it is getting a boil. So आता हे cook जावनी, मागीर तुमकां next procedure. So at this point I am adding the color. So color is according to you. So I am adding like around half teaspoon of color of orange. Okay, orange. So this perad is only like mixing and on low flame, otherwise it will get burned. So we have to do it continuously stirring. So it's getting this. So this perad is only like mixing and on low flame, otherwise it will get burned. So we have to do it continuously stirring. So it's getting this. Now at this point we will add our ghee, 1 tablespoon of ghee to this, 1 tablespoon. Okay, you can add ghee or butter, it's up to you. Still it has to not yet done. See, now it's almost getting ready. Okay, it's leaving the sides. Another 10 minutes I will do this, and then I will put it into the greased tray. ताटान तुम्ही मातशी घी लावन दवरात आनी मागीर तें. So I'm just doing till it should be like this, stiff. That means it is done. So it is still. So that's why I am doing it. So yeah, it is done. So now let's put this here. and then spread it. So after this, let it get cool little while, and after that we will cut and show you. So here is our Goan Perad ready to serve, and so if you have to try this procedure, don't give up if it doesn't come with your for the first attempt. Main is the ingredients and the stirring and the ghee or butter what you are adding. Take care of this minutely, and cover it when you are keeping it for cooling it down. Otherwise it will become very hard to cut. Okay, so like sometime when you are going to make it, and as soon as it start leaving the pan, that time don't remove it instantly. Give it again, mix it for another 5 to 10 minutes. तर हे जावन आसा आमचे गोंयचे पेराद जावन आसा तयार, आनी पळयात तुमी आतां आमी कशी कातुत्ता ती, आनी मागीर तुमच्यान सर्व करूं येता. एन्जॉय करात पेराद, एकदम टेस्टी, आणि it's not hard also, it's not like chewy type, but it is like how you get it in the market without adding anything. And also if anybody wants to add lime juice, then you can always add lime juice for your mixture. Hope you are all going to enjoy this Goan Perad, and it's thank you, and enjoy your Christmas with this Goan Perad. I can show you all how it breaks. It's not hard to break this, but here, tasty and yummy and delicious. Thank you. Dev bare karo.